Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can group elements on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. So right now, here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, I'm going to go to the site I want to edit. So just go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load. And then this is how it will look like. Once you're here, go to the left. And then as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find all of these sections. And here in the bottom, you're going to find edit site. Click on edit site, and then this will take you to this tab right here. So once you're here, just wait for this page to load. This is going to be the editor for Wix. And once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. So basically, guys, once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize your site. Right here, as you can see, guys, if you want to group items, it's pretty easy. For example, I'm going to go here to the header. And then as you can see, guys, there is multiple items right here. And if you want to group them, it's pretty easy. You can just hold and select them all like this. And as you can see, guys, right now, all of these items are selected. And you can either move them together, delete them, or right here, you can go to these settings where you can edit this section. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.